Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Dexter. Today I'll be doing a Puritii filtration demo for home usage. So here we go. This is the Puritii system. What we did is that we got this pump from Amazon and attached the tube to the filter. From there we got a 5-gallon jug from Walmart. So you're going to insert that into the jug. Press the button. Okay. There you go, very simple. Clean water. I highly recommend this to people that buy water from water stores, as well as those who have stairs to their homes, especially people with disabilities, elders, and parents with children. The best part about this system is that it comes down to $1.44 a day for the whole family to use. So if you want more information on this, feel free to reach out and then I can tell you more about it.